Mr. Capert. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to model the throwing arm, which is this part right here. So, like always, do a new part. Start with a 2D sketch. Doesn't matter which plane. I use the rectangle tool. You could just use lines, but this is quicker. Notice the highlighted dimension there. Our boards are 3/4. Now hit the tab button and you can make it whatever length that you want. And I'm going to make 16 inches. Remember this example, a lot of you guys have shorter arms than that. Then I'm going to add a bunch of holes in here. Use your dimensions. Each of these holes though will be a 1/4 inch because that's what our steel rod is that goes through here. Make sure the line comes up where it's centered on the board. So one of these is to hang your counterweight, the other one is to assemble the arm onto the whole entire catapult. And then I'm going to put a little hole over here. It doesn't really matter where it's at. This is where you're going to tie off your line. And this will be maybe 1/16. It actually isn't real important. It might be too small, but when we go to drill it, you'll find out and drill it bigger if you need to. So next, you're going to finish this sketch, extrude it, and remember our boards are 3/8 thick. All right, and then the last thing to do is to put a hole for the firing prong to go into here. So I'm going to start a sketch on there. Use the circle and try to center it. This is about a 1/16. It's going to be a piece of coat hanger. If you really wanted to center this, I don't know that this is that important to be honest. It'd be 3/8 this way, and then it would be 3/16 this way. Notice I have issues too, and I have to hit undo. So that's exactly in the center, finish sketch. And now you want to cut this into there. So select, remember you always got to select what you want to extrude, and I'm going to do a cut, and let's cut it in by about 1 inch. That typically works pretty well. Now very lastly, we are going to color this in, give it a material. I hit W, so I scroll all the way to the bottom very quickly. And then birch looks about right. It's going to be pine, but birch probably looks about the best. And then remember, you're going to end up saving this file. So hopefully this helps. Let me know if you have any questions.